So worms, they are your friends. They do a lot of things that you are not, and we are not aware of, that greatly help not only your garden, but nature itself.
I used to collect worms when I was a kid.
Oh, another Holly story. You have tuned in a couple of weeks ago was a story about paper birch trees, and today it's about worms. Tell us the story about collecting worms, Holly, because I'm sure many people have waited a week and a half plus for this.
I liked worms. I always have liked playing in the dirt, digging in the soil.
You didn't eat the worms,
I didn't eat the worms, no. Okay. But I do have a picture. I'm sure my mom has it of me pretending to eat a worm. So I actually probably have a picture of that as an adult. So yeah, I would collect these worms and I put them in this orange Tupperware container, and I had a little worm friend.
These worms did not make it back out. They died, didn't they?
I think probably.
You didn't use them for fishing or anything.
No.
You just collected them like an ant farm, but
yeah.
It was started off good but ended badly.
Right. But then I learned that because, when it rains, they come to the surface.
No, they go down.
Well, some
of them go,
some of them go
so
up. That's when that would be prime worm collecting time.
Okay. Well, we're happy for that story.